Now we're going to put the color and the number together in this processing task. So black 1, red 2, green 3, blue 4, red 5, yellow 2, black 4, blue 1, black 5, yellow 3, blue 5, green 4, black 3, blue 2, black 1, yellow 1, red 2, blue 4, green 3, red 5, black 5, blue 2, black 5, red 1, yellow 4, blue 3, black 5, yellow 2, green 4, and black 3.